Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. Today I would like to show you a new video on my plant shopping recently which I did. Before start the video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and follow us on the Instagram page for the new updates. So without late, let's start the video. So here is the parcel which I received from Himadri aquatics. So this is from Kerala. So most of the people know what is Himadri aquatics, and they have all kind of aquatic plants and indoor plants as well. So recently, a few months back also, I've ordered water lily from Himadri aquatics, and that is doing well in my terrace garden. So I thought I should try with the indoor plants. So the plants price and all is pretty good, reasonable. So I have ordered some 11 indoor plants. So in them all different varieties of plants are there. So if you can see by the look, I have ordered some different syngonium. There are certain syngonium varieties. So as I am collecting some different syngonium varieties, so I have ordered 5 or 6 syngonium varieties and calathea plants and Rio. All these variety plants I have ordered. So total I have ordered some 11 plants. And the packaging, if you can see the packaging is pretty good packaging. Here they have used coco peat and they have packed in a plastic packet. So the plants whatever I receive from them have received in a proper condition. So total 11 plants I've ordered, if you can see here in this picture. So I'm placing them properly so that you can able to see. So these are the 11 plants. I've ordered one water plant as well. So I have a terrace garden, so in that I have a water lily, so I want to put them there. So these are the plants which I am arranging in the box so that I can easily repot them. So it is up to yourself. Like few plants I have received directly without the soil, without any kind of coco peat, anything. So those are nice in condition yet. So here I am repotting them. So you can take some time. As soon as you get the plants, you can either, if you want to repot them, or if you can take some time for at least one day. And here for potting mix I use coco peat, vermicompost and a regular soil which I have. So these are the regular soil which I have for the leftover. So already this soil have all the nutrients here in this soil. So I'm using the old soil which I already have. So you can use even them, and you just need to put some kind of coco peat in it, or any kind of vermicompost. Now compost we have a number of. You can do it your own compost using your kitchen waste. So here I am using vermicompost which I had with me. So just need to see the lumps or any kind of hard stones if the soil has it. You just need to remove it, and you can even put a perlite in that as well. So here is the vermicompost which I use. So approximately, there is no measurement as such that I generally use it. I mix some vermicompost to the soil which I have here. So that is that. So you can even put some perlite and everything as well. So for have a proper aeration in the soil. So after mixing it properly, so you can fill the pots and you can have your plants in it. So I'm just seeing what are the sizes that could be preferable for the pots, plants and all, because my plants which I've ordered are in different sizes. So I have to check what size is enough or what size is sufficient. So here I have taken calathea. So calathea is a big plant, so that is the reason I have taken a little bigger pot. So this is how just need to fill up. So here calathea is a moist loving plant. It doesn't mean that you will be having pouring too much of water. So too much of water can damage your plant. So is the reason. So here I don't have ceramic pots, so I'm using the plastic ones. So here also, if you can see the roots of this Calathea, so the size of the plant is pretty good, and we just need to fill up them with the soil and for the proper aeration and everything. As the plants are of different sizes, I am using the pots of different sizes. So here, if in the hole of that particular planter, we just need to put a pebble or any kind of stone, so that the water or the soil will not go down or come out when you water the plant. So you can have a proper soil in the pot and you can use it. So I'm putting some kind of pebbles like that, broken pebble or broken pot, so that the water only comes out, not the soil. So here are the syngonium plants which I received. So as I said, I have huge collection of syngonium. So I've ordered so much of collection of syngonium. So here I have received one spider plant. So the spider plant, this is the only plant, the condition of the plant is pretty not very nice. So hopefully this should work. We'll see how far it is going to work. So that is how I plant my I pot my plants in the pots properly. So here my nephew have come down to help me out with the plantation. So he's also interested these days to do whatever I do. So they're also helping me. My niece and my nephew have come, so I've given them chance, so that this is how kids will learn, and they also feel the activity, the kind of activity they are. So my nephew and my niece both are helping me to water the plants. So this is what the plants that I've ordered, and these are the plants final look. So every plant is in good condition, and every prices of the plants are in pretty good in number. So the nice prices that you have. So if you are also interested to purchase from Himadri Aquatics, you can purchase. So I felt very nice. I felt very happy with the condition and the price range that I have got it. And this is how the plants are looking after once the potting is done. So hope you all like the video, and if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Collective Gardening. Thank you so much.